Alright, let's talk about one of the coolest problem-solving tools you've probably never heard about, CATWOE. I know it sounds like the name of a superhero cat, but trust me, it's actually a powerful mnemonic that's used in problem analysis, especially within something called soft systems methodology. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple. Think of CATWOE like a set of glasses you put on to really see all the angles of a messy situation. Imagine you're working on a group project and nothing's going right. People are annoyed, the deadline's looming, and you're stuck. This is where CATWOE steps in. Let's break it down. First up, C for customers. These are the people who benefit from or are impacted by whatever you're working on. In your group project, the customers could be your classmates, your teacher, even yourselves, anyone who cares about the outcome. Next is A for actors. These are the folks making things happen. In our group project, that's you and your teammates. Basically, anyone who does the actual work. Now T for transformation. This is the magic step, what changes from start to finish. For a group project, maybe you're transforming a pile of research into a polished presentation. It's all about what gets changed and how. W stands for worldview. This is a big one. It's the underlying belief or perspective that shapes how you look at everything. Maybe you see the project as a way to ace your grade, while someone else sees it as just another annoying task. Worldview colors every decision. O is for owners, the people with the power to make or break the whole thing. In school, it might be your teacher or even your group leader. They decide if the project goes ahead, changes, or gets shut down. Finally, E for environmental constraints. These are the things you can't control, like time limits, school rules, or even the fact that your group only meets once a week. These boundaries shape what's possible. So, why does CATWOE matter? Well, when you look at a problem from all 6 angles, you start seeing things you'd otherwise miss. Maybe the real issue isn't your group's effort. It's that the expectations aren't clear. Or maybe the owner, your teacher, has a totally different view of what a good project looks like. Whenever I get stuck, I mentally run through CATWOE. It's like hitting refresh on my perspective. It helps me ask the right questions, see who's involved, and figure out what's really blocking progress. So next time you're wrestling with a tricky project, try CATWOE. It's 6 simple steps, but it can totally change the way you solve problems. Give it a shot and let me know how it goes.